Hello and welcome back to Miss Educate. Today we are going to be learning about the place value of two-digit numbers. First of all, let's remind ourselves what a digit is. A digit is one of these: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the digits we use to make all different kinds of numbers. Let's look at the number 27. 27 is made up of two digits, a 2 and a 7. What about 23? What digits are there in 23? You tell me. That's right, there's a 2 and a 3. What about 47? Is there an adult with you? Can you tell them what digits make up the number 47? Well done. There's a 4 and a 7. And the last one, 61. What digits make up 61? Well done. A 6 and a 1. How much is each digit worth in a two-digit number? Here we can see our place value chart. We have a tens column and a ones column. Let's take the number 53 and put it into our place value chart. You can see here that the 5 is in the tens column and the ones column has a 3 in it. So that tells us that the 5 is worth 5 lots of 10. What would that be? Let's have a look. The 5 is worth 50 and the 3 is worth 3. So it's not just a 5 there, is it? It's actually worth a lot more than that because it's in the tens of the place value chart. So it's worth 10 times that amount. It's worth 50. 50 and 3 make your 53. What about if we switch the digits around so that the 5 is in the ones column and the 3 is in the tens column? What number do you think that would make now? What do you think it would be? That's correct. It would be 35. Well done. What's the 3 now worth though? When it was in 53, it was just worth 3 because it was in the ones column. But now it's in the tens column. So let's look at it in the place value chart. There it is. That's right. It would be worth 30. 35 partitioned into its tens and ones is 30 and 5. What about 42? Let's take 42 and pop it into our place value chart. The 4 is in the tens column and the 2 is in the ones column. So what's the 4 worth then? It's in that tens column, so it must be worth 40. 42 partitioned into tens and ones is 40 and 2. Why don't we try 37? 37 partitioned into tens and ones is 30 and 7. That's correct. The 3 is worth 30 and the 7 is just worth 7. Have you got a piece of paper? Can you partition 48 into its tens and ones just like I've just done? Draw an arrow from the 4 and tell me what it's worth. Draw an arrow from the 8 and tell me what it's worth. And then compare it to mine. Is it correct? Well done. The 4 is worth 40 and the 8 is worth 8. Let's try it again with 57. Pause the video if you need to. You can draw it out and then compare it to mine. Did you get it right? What's the 5 worth? What's the 7 worth? Well done. The 5 is worth 50 and the 7 is worth 7. This is the last one for you to try with me today. I think you've really got the hang of it now. What's the 6 worth in 63? Think about 63 in that place value chart. Where would the 6 be and where would the 3 be? Because that tells us how much each digit is worth. Okay, are you ready? 60 and 3. Well done. My goodness, you've worked so hard today. Well done. I think you really now understand the place value of two-digit numbers. If you want to practice what we've just been doing, there's a worksheet in the description below. Why don't you download it and have a go? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell for notifications. Take care, guys.